Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to change the cabin air filter in my 2017 CRV. The air filter is in behind your glove box, so open your glove box, take all the stuff out of your glove box because you've got to pull it down. You press on the sides like this, both sides, push it in and then kind of pull it down. You have to be a little more forceful to get it out. So just push in and pull down and it'll pop out. And then there's a little support rod over here, which you have to click in if you pull that rod out. It's not a big deal. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to change the cabin air filter. So we're over here at the glove box. You got to lower your glove box. And then in here, there is two little tabs. And you actually just push this over like that. And that'll release that tab. And one over here. And then there you go, comes down, right? So here are the tabs on the side, and you just pull them in out of the way right there. And then right here where it says up, that's your cabin air filter. So just a release tab on this side, a release tab on this side. Okay, see the two release tabs? It says up, and you pull out your cabin air filter. Oh, look at all the dirt in that. Wow. Alright. There you go. So, that's in your cabin air filter. So you don't want that getting in to into your ductwork and stuff. So, we have... Alright, so here's our new air filter. And the thick sides go on the side. It says airflow is down, right? And that's the way it goes. The air comes in through the top and it flows down. Okay, so we're going to put this in. Just slide it all the way back. Alright, it's hard to hold on to and push in at the same time, but yeah, give it a good solid push in. And there you go. You have the two tabs locked in. There's the one locking tab. You can see pretty easy on this side. The other side's the same, but it's harder to see. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up, push this in at the same time, which I can't video. I'll just leave that here. So I'll lift that up, pull this up, it locks in, so that's locked in, and then I don't know if you could really see it, but anyway, so you push this up, you lift this up this way, and then these tabs, you just push it in, and it goes all the way back, and there you go. All fixed up. Now you can put all your stuff back in your glove box. Alright, so here's your dirty air filter. Really simple to change. The aftermarket ones, if you buy an aftermarket one, might be a touch long, so you just kind of squeeze it in there a little bit more. Not a big deal. Or you can trim the edge a little bit, but it's not going to make much of a difference. So this air filter, the cabin air filter, Canadian price, I got mine for $15, which is a significant savings from the dealer. The dealer ones, I think they wanted $35 for these, or $40. So it's a big difference. And then you're going to have to spend between $15 and $25 for them to install it. And it's really just a flimsy little paper filter. And it's real easy to do. So save yourself some money. DIY it, and you can put that money towards something else. Save your money, do it yourself. Anyway, thanks for watching.